Thank you for purchasing the Wedgetail roof rack system. In this video, we will show you how to assemble the roof rack platform before fitting it to your vehicle. First, let's do an equipment check. You'll need a 5mm hex head Allen key, a rubber mallet, plus all the items in your kit. You should have a front extrusion with slotted holes for wind deflector mounts and a rear piece without holes. Then, there's 2 side pieces, 4 corner pieces, the crossbars and 8 M8 flange nuts. In your kit, you should find 2 types of bolts and washers.
The M8x20 bolts and washers and the M8x16 bolts and washers.
You should also have the M8 channel nuts. Start by laying down a blanket or something soft to assemble your Wedgetail roof rack. This will help avoid damage to the powder coat finish. Lay out your front, rear, sidebars and corner pieces and start by building the frame section. Place the flange nut in the recess of your corner piece, making sure the flange is facing outwards. Hold the flange nut in the recess as you insert the corner piece into the side piece. You can use a soft mallet to ensure a tight fit. You should be able to see the flange nut from the inside of the frame. Repeat the process for all 4 corners. Now, with all the exterior pieces fitted together, it's time to fasten all the corners.
Use the M8x16 bolts and washers in your kit.
Be careful not to cross-thread the bolts. Once you've got them started by hand, use a 5mm hex head Allen key to tighten them. Don't over-tighten the bolts. This will preserve the spring washers. With everything tightened, you're ready to fit the crossbars. First, turn the rack upside down. Insert the crossbars into the recess on the frame. You'll notice the crossbar has 2 different edges. This edge should face forward when mounted on your vehicle for best noise and wind resistance. Fit the remaining crossbars to the platform.
Now all your crossbars are in place, use the M8x20 bolts, washer and channel nut to secure each piece.
Ensure each channel is 90 degrees to the crossbar. And that's it! Your new Wedgetail roof rack is ready to be fitted to your vehicle.